What's up guys? In today's video, I am going to announce you that I am giving away an iPhone 14 Pro. That's right, I am doing this because I am launching my website Rento. This is by far the biggest project on which I have been working on. And look, to celebrate that launch, I am going to give away an iPhone 14 Pro. But very quickly, how do we participate on this giveaway? It is super simple. So yeah, you will be here once you come to rento.es, and you just simply come here and you register. You create an account. You can do this here by email and put in a random password, or for example using Google. Okay, so once you have created your account, you will log in. So after logging in, you are not yet in the giveaway. So to participate in the giveaway, you just have to come here to Rento, and down here you have the iPhone 14 Pro giveaway. You have to press here on participate, and check this out. Here is the menu of the giveaway. Also, you have to come here and you have to follow rento.es on Instagram. Indeed, here I have the picture on which I explain everything. This is the user account, the username, and it is very simple. And you follow and you share this on your story. You have to share this picture on your story. It is as simple as this. And then you do all the things in the website. So, first of all, you can see a bunch of numbers here. What is this? Look, the giveaway works with probabilities. So, for example, depending on how much you interact with the application, you will get an amount of points. So, those points represent your probability to win the iPhone. For example, here I have this, well, this is the total amount of points, and I have these points. So basically, since I have a lot of points, I have a big probability to win. One thing, I do not participate. Although I have all these points, I do not participate. Basically, someone else is going to be the one who will get the iPhone 14 Pro. Not me. That has to be clear. So, what can we do to basically, get these points? So first of all, I have to explain you what is Rento. Rento is basically a website where anyone can rent their products. So for example, here, this guy is renting some AirPods Max. So for example, let's say that you want to use these AirPods for a period of time. You want to use this for, I don't know, 1 month. So what you actually do is that you contact this guy and then you rent the product here in the application. Or let's say, for instance, that you want to rent, I don't know, a controller, an Xbox controller. So here you come and you have this. You will rent the product of this random guy. And of course, here you can put whatever you want. So for example, here in my profile, I have loads and loads of things. So check this out. Here we have all the products that I am renting right now. So for example, you can see that I have put films, I have put my boxing things, I have put this dumbbell, a lot of things. So basically, you can upload anything and you can rent anything to anyone. You can put, if you want, a bail, or you can put a price. So you have here this other menu where you can basically put all the information about the product. You can choose you can put basically 3 images, and here you can choose if you want to get paid by hour, by day, by week, or by month. Here you also have loads and loads of categories. You can set then later a type, for example here, if it is a phone, if it is, I don't know, headphones, whatever. And the thing is that this is only in Spain. Later in the future I will add more countries, but so you can put a description and all that. So for each product that you upload, you will get an amount of points. So check this out. Here I have 30 products. If I go to the giveaway menu, you can see that I have 300 points only for products. That's cool. Also, you can see that I have here some highlighting points. What is this? So check this out. I can go to any of my products, for example, this one, and I can highlight the product. What this will do is that it will show the product more. So for example, every time I look for anything, you can see that here you have these different products. These products have been highlighted. So every time you highlight a product, you will also get points to basically, to win the iPhone 14 Pro. So you can check here that you can pay, and the points you get in the giveaway depend on how many days you highlight products. So for example, if I take here this offer, you can see that I will get 250 days. Per day, I will get 100 points. So this means that I will get 25,000 points. So yeah, that's truly crazy. Also, you can highlight products for free. How? Check this out. Whenever I go to my profile, here I have the friend code. If someone registers with this friend code, I will be able to highlight a product. If another person registers with the same friend code, I will be able to highlight another product. And yeah, you can only highlight for free 3 products. That's the maximum. So yeah, once we have this, you can see that in the giveaway, there is another way of earning points, which is with opinions. But what are opinions? Basically, you put opinions on users and products after you rent them. So to show this, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you my testing site. So here I have a very similar account, and what we are going to do is that we are going to rent a product so that you see all the process of renting. So first of all, here you have this page on which you have all the information about renting, all the steps and all that. So we are going to do all the steps. So first of all, what we must do is that we must register as an affiliate. We come here and we will be an affiliate of Rento. You have to accept some terms and conditions, and by pressing here, you will put the information regarding your Stripe account. So basically, Stripe is the one who manages all the payments in the platform. So you can see here that I have this testing account, and yeah, you just have to put the IBAN of your bank account where you want to get paid. So every time you receive a payment, you will receive that payment in the bank account that you have set. So yeah, Stripe will give you this page. And you can see that, yeah, this is the testing page. I do not have 5 million euros, and yeah, I do not have this crazy amount of money. But yeah, this is basically the page on which Stripe tells you that, hey, a payment is coming from Rento. Hey, a payment has been done right now. It is instant. Whenever someone does a payment to you, you will receive, you will have information here instantly. So yeah, that's actually very cool. Okay, but by being an affiliate, you have something else. You can see here that this is a code, a discount code. You can create your own custom discount code. And what this means is that, for example, I have here the Kevin test code. For this code, I will get a commission. So whenever someone comes, and for example, let's say that I come here and that I look for a product. So for example, I look for this computer, I come here to highlight. If I use that discount code, you can see that I have a 20% discount. So instead of being 5 euros, here it is only 4, and instead of being here 50 euros, it is 40. The discount is everywhere. The thing is that now, for every sale, remember that here we have a commission. So for every sale, I get a 10% commission. So for example, if the user pays 40 euros, I will get 4 euros if he uses my discount code. That's it. Also, this commission percentage increases. So depending on how many sales you do the current month, the next month you will have a bigger commission. The biggest commission is 50%. So this means that if someone uses this code and pays 40 euros, 20 go for you. So yeah, that's very cool. But okay, whenever you have this created, the thing is that basically you can rent products. So here I have another testing site on which we are going to rent this book. So you can see that this book doesn't have any bail and it is paid, well, 7 euros per month. So let's say that I want to rent this book for 2 periods, for 2 months. So you press here on rent and you can see that we have reserved the product. So check this out. Here, now with this user, I go to this menu and I can see all the renting products that I have. So I am renting this product. So I come here and you can see that this is the owner, this is the product, and this is me, the client. I have to wait a little bit because the owner has to basically accept that. So now the owner, check that out. If I go to the profile and we go here to the renting places, so now the owner, if I go here, check this out. Let's go to the renting products and here I have this one. So I'm going to filter only for my products and here I have this petition for 2 months and this is booked. It is not yet accepted. So here what I'm going to do is that I can accept or I can deny the propose. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to accept this and check this out. Now I can see the payments. So the first payment has to be done before the 15th of February. And the second payment, since this is monthly, must be done before the 17th of March. That's actually very cool. So now here in the client, you can see that you can basically play. Okay, so we are going to put our data and here I have this testing card. So you press accept and check this out. Here the payment is done. Okay, so now this payment, since it is the first payment, it is retained. So basically both parts have to confirm that, yeah, the client has received the product and the owner has sent the product. So you press here, yes. And here you do the exact same thing. You press here, yes. Okay, perfect. So check this out. If we update the page, okay, now the client can finish this renting. He can pay here. He pays, boom, 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 boom. Let me put this testing credit card. Accept. We wait a little bit and yeah, we will finish with the renting process. The money goes directly to the client through Stripe Express. And here you have the opinions after you finish the payments of the renting. You have to put an opinion. So for example, I can put here, this is amazing, great book. Okay, and I put the mark of 5. So each opinion gives 50 points in the giveaway. So for example, here the client has to put 2 opinions because he has to put an opinion on the product and he has to put an opinion on the owner. So here I can say the owner was very nice. Okay, so you put the opinion and also the owner has to put an opinion. So check this out. Here you have to put an opinion on the client. So here what I'm going to say is that the client was very good, something like this. So you put the opinion and that's it. Now this guy has 10 more points and the other guy, well, not 10, 50 more points, and the other guy has 100 more points. So check this out. Here I have this testing thing, but yeah, you can see that, yeah, here I have crazy numbers because, yeah, I have tested this a lot. But for the opinions, you get that 50 point per opinion. So yeah, that's very cool. Also here you have 1 point just by registering. So yeah, anyone, you don't have to pay any highlight or you don't have to rent anything. Just by being registered, you will have a chance of winning the iPhone 14 Pro. So yeah, guys, this is the biggest idea that I have and I've been working on this a lot. Like, you truly do not imagine how much I've been working. There are a lot of things that I haven't shown you. Like, for example, you can filter here, you can do a lot of stuff here. So yeah, I think that it is a great project and it is also a great way of doing the giveaway. So you can come here and yeah, you can see the iPhone giveaway. Let's go to my normal site, not the testing site. The iPhone will be given away the 1 of June. The 1 of June is the ending date. The ending date of the giveaway. So until then, you can earn as many points as you want. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you understood how Rento works. It is my biggest project so far, and I think that this project will change the world. So I hope that you liked it, and if so, give it a like, share, subscribe, and we see each other in the next video.